The jury in the trial for Ashley Kroese hears from the people who last saw her the night she drove head-on into Brentwood officer Destin Legieza. Kroese is charged with vehicular homicide in Legieza's death.
News 4's Michael Warwick is at the Williamson County Courthouse watching every step of this trial. And Michael, a lot of talk today about just how much she had to drink that night.
That's the big question. And taking the stand today, the people who were with Kroese in the hours right before the tragic crash.
Did you stay at the bar until 4:30 in an attempt to try to make sure Miss Kroese was sober?
Yes.
New testimony tonight in the case of Ashley Kroese, hearing from 4 people who were with Kroese on the night and early morning she drove without headlights the wrong way on Franklin Road, hitting Brentwood officer Destin Legieza head on. A blood alcohol test showed she was over twice the legal limit. Amber Barker testified she saw Kroese drink 3 glasses of wine and, despite ordering her a pair of other drinks later on in the night, didn't actually physically see her finish them.
She seemed fine to me. I mean, she was still talking normal, just like anyone else, and she was walking normal as well. She was in heels that night. 3 of the 4 witnesses today who last saw Kroese before she tried to drive home that night say she didn't appear drunk, including the one man who didn't drink any alcohol that night, Max Jordan, an employee of the bar Kimbrough's, who video shows walking Kroese to her car at 4:30 in the morning shortly before the crash.
At any point during the morning hours of June 18th, 2020, were you personally concerned about Miss Kroese's sobriety?
No, sir.
But contradicting that testimony, Jessica Hortner-Simons, a bartender working at Kimbrough's, whose account of thinking Kroese was drunk that night was challenged by Kroese's lawyers.
Did you notice anything at the time that she took this water that suggested to you that she was intoxicated?
The request for water.
So anytime somebody at Kimbrough's requests a water instead of a drink, you assume that they did so because they're intoxicated?
Amber had told me when they got there they had gone to another bar previous.
Kroese's defense has repeatedly challenged the validity of Kroese's blood test, which again shows Kroese at more than twice the legal limit. She is now 26 years old, 24 at the time of that crash. It's unclear if she will take the stand herself in the coming days. Marius.
Michael, thank you.